Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to grow Cryptocoryne plants. I found these plants in local aquarium. These plants are weak and small. I'm going to restore them. Look at these plants. In some local aquarium they used filter foam and a rubber band for tight the plants to a stone, then they put it in the tank. Now I got the rubber band, then remove the foam and stone. These foams are dirty. There are a lot of small plants, but they are very weak. Look at this plant. It has few small leaves and roots. But roots are old. It is not good for absorb nutrients. I'm going to cut and separate these plants. Now it's time to trim the roots. It will help form new roots faster. It's time to make soil mixture. I'm using fine compost and fine river sand. This sand helps to form new roots easily. I use this small cup and I make few holes on the bottom to drain excess water. I'm going to use this fine mesh. It will prevent soil leakage. Now I put this mesh into the cup. Now I'm filling the cups using my mixture. Now my cups are ready for planting. Then add water before planting. Now I take other plants and trim the roots before planting. Should use sharp scissor or blade when cut the plants, because plant can be bruised and it lead to spread some disease. I make a long hole on the soil mixture. It will help to put in roots easily. It's time to planting. Now I carefully place the plants. I take other pot and do same procedure. I cover the roots using extra soil. Then I gently press the soil. It will help to fixing the roots and stables the plant. Every time watering is necessary, if not plants can be drying. Finally, I take last one. I'm going to use dry start method for these crypto plants because they are very weak. I use a fish tank and it cover with the transparent foil. Also use white light to lighting conditions. After placing plants, I again spray water to maintain moisture level and humidity in the tank, then cover the foil. For dry start method, you can use any transparent container. Finally, I cover the foil. After 3 weeks update. Unfortunately, I used my tank for another project. Because of that, I placed me crypto plants inside these transparent cups. Look at these plants, now they are very healthy. This is the second cup. Let's see what happens to the plants. Only one plant was survived. Now they have health leaves and they growing well. My experiment and restoration of crypto plants are successful now. If you like, you can use this method for growing and restoring the crypto plants. Thank you for watching.